Just about to break the silence that haunts us all.
Hey guys, John here again, and we're going to do another unboxing video for the February, this time for the February Loot Crate. You can check them out, lootcrate.com, and we're going to take a look at what's inside. The theme for this month is play. So let's open her up and take a look. So in the box, we get a Hexbug Scarab for that game. We get Super Fight, the Loot Crate deck from Skybound Games. This is a 100 card version of the viral card game Super Fight, designed exclusively for Loot Crate by Skybound. These cards are only available in this exclusive deck. Create hilarious fighters with these cards, then argue over who would win in a fight with them. Groovy. Let's see. We have a coupon, it looks like, for the Firefly online game. That's cool. We have a bag with some dice. 6-sided, not 20. That'll come in handy for HeroClix. We have a cool little poster here in this box. It is the anatomy of a Pac-Man machine. Not bad, not bad. A little bit different. We have one of my favorite things out of here, a blank Money World mini money figure. Basically, use whatever art medium you want. It includes the figure and everything, and you create your own little vinyl figure. Kind of cool. Not really gonna argue with it. It looks kind of cool. We of course have this month's book, covering everything in there. What's cool about this book, much like the fighter one, is the back of it opens up for some tokens and game pieces, because if you actually start looking in the background, you can see the actual box is a board game when you unfold it, which is pretty cool. What else is in here? I'll get to that in a minute. We have the instructions for the board game. We also have this month's button. And my personal favorite item in the entire box, a paperback copy of Ready Player One. I've been looking for an excuse to buy this book for a long, long time. So that's it. That's the February Loot Crate. Check us out for more videos, and please subscribe. We'll see you next time.
We're just about to break